teach you to distinguish hormone cucumbers at a glance. Every cucumber picked is crisp and not bitter. Hello and welcome to my channel. Many people buy cucumbers only to see if they are dry or not, new or not. No wonder it tastes bad every time I buy it home. Also easy to suffer. Today, I will teach you the skills that old vegetable farmers do not pass on. Easily avoid hormone ripening melon. The picked cucumber is sweet, crispy and tender. Juicy. Fried vegetables and cold salads are delicious. Skills at a glance. See through hormone ripening melon. Everyone must remember the natural growth law of cucumbers. Cucumbers bloom first and then bear fruit. After the flowers are pollinated, will slowly decay and fall off. Wait until the cucumber is fully grown, when ready to pick. The flowers at the top have long withered and fallen off naturally. This is the natural state of affairs for the growth of all things, but there are a lot of cucumbers on the market now. Obviously mature and ready to sell. The top is still covered with bright and full flowers. It looks very fresh and good looking. It's all tricky. This kind of cucumber with flowers. Most are hormones. Regulator ripening. Man-made forced retention of flowers, violating the law of natural growth. True natural ripe cucumber. The melon handle is clean and flat, no flowers left. Even if there is any residue, it's also dry. The state of falling with a light touch. There is another small detail to distinguish. Even if you buy hormone cucumbers, you can keep them at home for 2 or 3 days. The flowers at the top are still blooming brightly, will not wither. Don't buy this resolutely. Only cucumbers that are ripe with flowers and melons grow naturally. Good cucumber with a sweet taste. Skill 2. Look at the appearance. Hormones were used to ripen the swollen cucumber. The drug will uniformly regulate the growth rhythm of the whole cucumber. The appearance is to perfect. Straight and straight. It's exactly the same thickness from start to finish. Looks smooth and beautiful. Looking great. The food stalls are particularly attractive. This is too standard. No crooked cucumber at all. It's all caused by drug intervention. The internal pulp is not fully developed. Rough taste. Melon flavor is weak. It doesn't have the sweetness of a natural cucumber. Eat raw and astringent. There is less fragrance in cooking. Natural open air cucumber. The effect of sunlight on the growth space of water and nutrients. The growth rate cannot be completely uniform. The shape will not grow particularly regular. Mostly with a slight arc. Bend slightly. What about the thickness of the head and tail? There will be natural differences. Looking simple and imperfect. But this is normal growth. Skill 3. Touch the thorn of the melon. Many people mistake cucumber spines for the more prickly, the fresher. Completely wrong. Melon spines are the key to differentiating hormone cucumbers. Hormonal ripening cucumber. Epidermal spines are slender and long, densely packed. It feels sharp and dazzling. All over the body are hard thorns. No smooth place. It feels very prickly. Hormone-induced spines have very poor toughness. It's easy to break with a touch. Naturally ripened high-quality cucumbers. Melon thorns are short and stout, evenly distributed. The epidermis will bulge, but not dense. It only feels slightly prickly to the touch. Not sharp, not stinging. The skin also has a natural smooth texture. Short and thick melon thorns are sturdy, not easy to fall off. This cucumber is highly mature, crispy and tender taste, juicy. Tip 4. Look at the tail of the melon. Avoid bitter cucumbers. The bitter taste of most cucumbers, concentrated at the root of the melon tail, not melon head. Learn to see melon tails without pinching or breaking them. You can tell the good from the bad on the spot when buying food. Easily avoid all bitter cucumbers. If the tail of the cucumber is visibly bulging, round enlargement, stout raised, it means that the growth process of this cucumber is unstable, lack of water and nutrients. The temperature difference is too large. A large amount of bitter hormone has accumulated in the body. The tail of this cucumber is 2 or 3 centimeters up. Bitterness is the heaviest. It tastes numb and bitter, even if it is cooked at high temperature. The bitterness can't be removed. Completely affects the taste. And high-quality cucumbers that are not bitter. Melon position is flat and narrow. Natural narrowing. The whole cucumber line is smooth and even. This cucumber grows steadily. Adequate water and nutrients. No accumulation of picrin. Raw sweet. Cold and refreshing. Stir-fried vegetables. It's delicious no matter what. Tip 5. Weights. Pick cucumbers of similar size and thickness. Put it in your hand and weigh it. Cucumber with heavy hand pressure. Plump pulp. Juicy. High freshness. The inner lining grows evenly and tightly. It is a good cucumber of excellent quality. Light cucumber. Looks like a big seller. In fact, the inner hollow, flattened pulp. It's mostly hormones. Only the outer skin does not grow the pulp. You can break it apart and see the comparison. Hormonal cucumbers look full. Loose pulp inside. Hypoplasia. Very little juice. And naturally ripe cucumbers are hydrated and plump. The flesh is firm. Melon seeds evenly. Raw, crispy, sweet, juicy. The taste of the two is very different. Pick a cucumber and remember these 5 points. Easily avoid all hormone melon, bitter melon, hollow melon. Every time I buy cucumbers, they are fresh and sweet. Great taste. Video dry goods are practical. Everyone quickly likes the collection. Forward to family and friends. Buy food and never step on the pit again. I am Yaya. See you next time.